Alay, Manungilsil Sumor Kamilrokui, and welcome back to Around the Island. I'm your host, Katie Delano. And at times like this, I really wish I had my own confetti cannon. But alas, my wallet could never handle that, and it would scream in pain and agony. So, this is the best I can give you. First and foremost, I would like to give another beloved shout out to Team Palau for dominating the field at the micro games in Marshall Islands, bringing home a total of 116 medals that consist of 38 bronze, 60 silver, and 18 gold. Now, being an athlete is not easy. The commitment, dedication, discipline, and willpower to accomplish those feats and to keep moving forward is what makes an athlete really special. So, kudos to all you athletes who went out in the Marshall Islands and represented Palau. Team Palau, you should relish the victory because you worked so hard and you honestly deserve all the praise and support. So let us all welcome back our athletes with the utmost pride. Now this week, we got a good amount of stuff coming up. Tomorrow at Errol Park, the Community Alliance Church will be fundraising for a new service van. They will be having items such as footwear, cosmetics, bags, and many more that will be sold on site. So go check them out and show your support. July 6, in memory of the Honorable Regis Agitaya, the Palau Sports Fishing Association, along with Palau Athletics, are hosting the Tokoil Balu Fishing Derby, taking place at Drop-Off in Malagal. The schedule for the day will go as following. At 4 a.m. is the Walk for Life. Registration will begin at 4 a.m. until 5:30 a.m. and the walk itself will begin at 5:45 a.m. Following that, the Tokoil Balu Derby will depart at 5 a.m. And last but not least, the Agitaya Fun Dive will depart at 9 a.m. Now moving on, remember last week on our list, the ADHOC acrylic painting workshop was supposed to happen on June 5. But my apologies, it has been moved to July 2nd. The time and place remain the same, but you can go follow their Facebook page for further details of the event if you are interested. Now, FYI, for your information and yours only, the Palau Oman Marathon is happening once again, folks. So mark your calendars for September 1st. Stick with us and stay tuned for further information coming your way. Now, to end the week and our time together, I apologize, but summer days drifting away to those summer nights. And if you have nothing to do tomorrow night, stop by Irai side and check out the 680 Night Market. We present to you cooler summers with live music, local vendors, cultural performances, games, raffle giveaways, and so much more. I heard that the Malu'ul Swallow relay course has been posted on both the 680 Night Market Facebook page and their Instagram page. Honestly, I find myself very interested in participating in that game. So if I plan to win, I better study that course. So watch out. That's all for this week, ladies and gentlemen. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button down below. And feel free to comment down below and share your thoughts. If you're scrolling on Facebook, the same goes for you as well. You can also message me directly at Katie Delano or slide into my Instagrams at Katie, I apologize, at chaotic.ktv. This is Katie signing off. Till next time. Ali on Friday.